Welcome everyone, my name is Pramod Beesal and in this video we are going to discuss about a letter which is being circulated on social media since past few days. Now this is a letter issued by Railway Board Establishment, letter number 59/2021 dated 6 August 2021. So what exactly does this letter mean? Is it genuine or not? We will decode each and every term one by one and then we will discuss about SSEs in railways in detail, their hierarchical and promotional avenues, the current and new recruitment methods and opportunities for degree holders to get selected into railways. Okay, so let's start with the letter first. Now in this letter, this is very clearly stated that the direct recruitment for SSEs in level 7 will be resumed now. So after 2015, that direct recruitment for SSEs was stopped, that is being resumed now. So you can easily expect a lot of vacancies in supervisor cadre group 3 or group C of railways, and the exact number of vacancies, exact exam date and exact exam pattern, these things are not yet disclosed. They will be notified very soon, but since this exam used to be conducted earlier also, so you can take a look at that. You can see the exam pattern from there, you can see the type of questions from there, and according to that you can keep your preparation now. Okay, so these things will be notified by the Railway Board very soon, and these exams will be conducted by RRB, which is the Railway Recruitment Board. Now let's take a look at the SSEs, their position and hierarchy in railways. Okay, so there is a supervisor cadre, there is an officer cadre in railways. In supervisors there are junior engineers and senior section engineers. In officers there are group B officers and group A officers. Okay, so the basic hierarchy is that in level 6 there are junior engineers 4200 grade pay. In level 7 there are senior section engineers 4600 grade pay. Level 8 is also for senior section engineers. Now these supervisors, after 5 years of service, they can appear in the exam of group B officers and they can get promoted to officer cadre. Group B officer, which fall under level 9 5400 grade pay, and they will then get consumed in group A officer cadre only. Group A level 10 is for direct recruitment from UPSC, engineering services and civil services exam. Okay, so this is a basic hierarchy that is being followed in railways. Supervisors, they fall under group C. Promoted officers from supervisor cadre, they fall under group B, and group A is for directly recruited officers. Okay, that is a basic system that is being followed by railways for now. If we talk about the older system of recruitment, then there used to be only recruitment in JE cadre level 6 4200 grade pay. So a person who is holding a degree or diploma, everybody was eligible for JE exam. There was no direct vacancies for SSEs after 2015. So you will have to get selected into JE exam, then get promoted to SSE, then get promoted to officer level, or you can directly get recruited in group A officers by UPSC ESE exam. That was the basic recruitment and previous method followed by railways. Now if we talk about the new method, then in JEs the system is still same. Diploma holders and degree holders, they can apply for this level 6 JE exam and they can get promoted to SSEs from JE, or now they can get directly selected into level 7 of SSEs supervisor cadre. So that is a new thing that is being introduced by railways, that is being resumed by railways after several years. That is the basic thing here. Now these SSEs and junior engineers, they can get promoted to group B officer, that still remains same, and group B officers can get converted into group A officers after some years of service, or one can get directly recruited into group A after giving UPSC ESE exam. So based upon these changes, if we talk about opportunities for degree holders, then the opportunities or the vacancies for you have increased now. Earlier, you could either give JE exam or you could give ESE, but now you will be eligible for JE also. You will be eligible for SSE exam also, and as and when ESE is resumed or IRMS is introduced, you will be eligible for that also. So definitely the opportunities for you to get into railways have increased now. The only thing is SSE is a group C post, which can definitely get promoted to group B officers and then to group A officers. Okay, so overall if we see the implication of these changes, then the number of vacancies in group C have increased. Number of vacancies in group B also have been increased by railways very recently, and group A vacancies will definitely reduce. Okay, so that is the basic implication of these changes. Now if you want to get into railways, you should definitely prepare for SSE exam or ESE or IRMS as and when it is introduced or resumed. You can prepare for that also. So that is the basic implication of this letter. This is a genuine letter issued by Railway Board, and these are the things which you can take out of this letter. Well, thank you for watching the video and good luck for your exam if you are preparing for this, and thank you.